Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Google your search engine on Windows 10. You can set Google as your default search engine on Windows 10 using popular web browsers. Here's how to do it. Google Chrome. Google is the default search engine in Chrome. But if it has been changed, follow these steps. Launch Google Chrome on your Windows PC. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Settings. In the left-hand menu, click Search Engine. Then on the search engine, use the address bar, click Change, then toggle Google. And finally, click Set as Default. These steps will make Google your default search engine across various browsers on Windows 10. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.